My name is Cliff. Today I'm going to teach you how to configure and activate the plugin UpdraftPlus. In your dashboard of WordPress, click in Plugins and Add New. Search for UpdraftPlus. Click in Install Now. Click in Activate Now and click Insert it. Your first backup, but we need to go inserting before. I like to do backup date. Put everything daily, one and one. After, choose Google Drive and click inside with Google. Before, we need to save the change. After signing with Google, select your account in Google, click continue and select all and continue again. Click in complete setup to come back in your word. Now, let's look at if everything is okay. My account is here. When I make a backup, all my backup will be in Google Drive. But it's very impossible to change the name because you need the Pro version. It's for that you need to buy the Pro version. In this moment, it's where you need nippage. To get nippage, you need to go and plan. We got two plans, starter and lifetime plan. You got all the Pro plugins. You got the complete website package, 1 year update, and Pro plugins. The same here, but in this moment, you have lifetime updates. After that, you have exclusive design package, premium template, additional plugins, Pro themes, WooCommerce Pro themes, dedicated support, and exclusive community. Once everything is okay, click and get nippage. Now, you need to put your name and last name, your phone number, email, password, and check all of these. Click and get nippage. After that, go to your profile and nippage. Click in Pro plugin include with nippage. Go here, click and download plugins to get the Pro version. Click and save. Everything is okay. The plugin is downloaded. Once everything is done, go in your plugins here, plugins, add new, upload, and choose file. Click install now. Click and replace. The plugin is updated successfully. Go to plugins now and click setting, and now in setting you got the option to choose folder. We don't have folder, we need to create one in Google Drive. Let's go to Google Drive. I'm here in my Google Drive. Click new folder, backup. The name is backup, and go back to your website. Let's refresh this page. Go back again in settings, select existing, backup. Yeah, choose backup, confirm, and click and save. Now is the moment to do our first backup now. Click in backup now. Everything is okay. Backup now. You got the Pro version with nippage. Don't forget, if you want nippage and all of plugins, we have a nippage. We have plugins for lifetime plan user too. Go here, you can see you have affiliate plugins, WhatsApp plugins, SEO and analytic plugins. You have e-commerce plugins. All of these plugins is Pro. Don't forget. And you have Page Builder, Elementor. We have DV2. You have optimization and performance plugins like Smooth and WAMP Optimize Premium Pro, Translation plugin, Schedule Inform plugins, Security and SSL plugins, and let's go back. The backup is finished. Click and close. Let's look at all the information to your backup is here. You can restore, you can delete, and you can view log. Let's go in my Google Drive. Let's click here. All the backup is here. You can see everything works verified with the Pro plan and nippage. Don't forget, once you get nippage, click in Pro plugins include with nippage. Go here and download the plugin, install it, and everything is gonna be fine. If you need support, just click in support ticket here and we can talk with you. And if you love WhatsApp too, you can click in WhatsApp support and just send a message. Okay, I will put all the link in the description to get Nippledge with all of these plugins and the link for Hostinger if you don't have hosting. My name is Cliff. Don't forget to subscribe and like. I will see you in the next video.